Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Medicare Healthy Foods Card, benefits guide step by step clearly. To activate your Medicare Healthy Foods Card, begin by locating your card. Ensure you have the card on hand when you start the activation process. Visit the official website mentioned on the back of your Healthy Foods Card. If you prefer, you can also activate your card by calling the customer service number provided. When you access the website or call the number, have your personal information ready. This may include your Medicare number, date of birth, and other identifying details. Once prompted, input your information carefully to verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided on the screen or by the customer service representative. After your identity is confirmed, you may be asked to create a PIN for your card. Choose a secure PIN that is easy for you to remember. Once you have set your PIN, your card will be activated. You will receive a confirmation message via email or phone. Your Healthy Foods Card can now be used at participating retailers. Be sure to review the guidelines on eligible food items. Keep your card in a safe place for future use. If you encounter any issues during activation, reach out to customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot any problems you may face. Now that your card is activated, enjoy the benefits it offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.